So, how can we foster green growth and address climate change? Spreading awareness about the critical cause and effects of the climate change should be the priority in order for the people to have some knowledge of it. And also, we can foster green growth and address climate change by supporting or giving donations to programs that supports the livelihood of the environment and flourishing it instead of destroying nature. We can also help by doing little things like recycling. The proper throwing of trash, planting trees, and the use of eco-friendly materials in daily living. We can make great wonders when we are consistent and determined for change. So come on, let us conserve and love our Mother Nature.